More about the case of the Osage County Sheriff who's been stripped of his license to enforce the law. We told you as breaking news at noon that the Osage County Commissioners are asking Sheriff Michael Dixon to step down. This all comes after Dixon pleaded guilty last summer to harassing a former police officer. ABC 17's Lindsay Henry spoke with the commissioners today about how they're moving forward to remove Dixon.
Well, Daniel, the commissioners met this morning to discuss asking Sheriff Michael Dixon to leave his space in office. But when they tried contacting him, they would call him. They even went over to his office, but were unable to get a hold of him. Now, after being charged with a number of crimes last summer, Sheriff Dixon pled guilty to one of them, a misdemeanor of harassing a Bell police officer. He was sentenced to 2 years of probation and planned to continue serving as sheriff, but policing license being revoked yesterday left the commissioners with a challenge. They say it was time for him to give up the badge. Presiding Commissioner Dave Dudenhofer says the council plans on sending him a letter to ask for his resignation. Now, earlier today, I went to the Osage County Sheriff's Office and tried contacting Sheriff Michael Dixon. I was unable to get a hold of him, but he did later email us asking us to contact his attorney for comment. We did, but so far we haven't heard anything back. Live in the Jefferson City newsroom, Lindsay Henry, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Lindsay. Sources tell us that if Sheriff Dixon does not resign by Monday, either the prosecutor or the Attorney General's office could start a process to formally challenge Dixon's right to hold that position as sheriff. Well, today